Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Clip Studio Paint with Procreate, with Krita and with MediBang Paint, like which one is actually better in what. So let's start first with the Clip Studio. This is kind of like standard for manga, comics and illustrations. You have like a lot of brush customization, natural pen feel, strong vector tools for line art, great asset store with brushes, 3D models and materials, and you have option also for one-time purchase, and you can use it for Windows, macOS, iPad, Android. Now the interface can feel overwhelming. For beginners, subscription model on mobile can be costly. Learning curve is steeper than simpler apps. So that's for that. Now with the Procreate on the other hand, you have like way more intuitive and user-friendly. You have also optimized for iPad and Apple Pencil support, very fast and responsive. Also one-time purchase, no subscription, excellent for illustration. You see right, like $6.99 once. A wide range of brushes. Now it's iPad only, no desktop version. Limited features for comics, manga or animation comparing to Clip Studio Paint. No vector support and file management can get clunky. Now on the other hand with Krita, when we go further, complete free and open source, excellent for digital painting and concept art, strong brush engine with wide range of customization, support desktop platforms, Windows, macOS, Linux, includes the basic animation tools, great community support. The cons: interface can feel less polished than paid apps, performance may vary depending on the system, lacks advanced publishing or asset store features, and also mobile tablet support limited comparing to others. Now then the last one is the MediBang. So free and lightweight, cloud integration allow cross-device syncing, focused on manga and comics with panel and screen tone tools, available on Windows, macOS. Cons: it's like you don't have many features comparing to Clip Studio Paint or Krita. Ads in a free version and also limited brush customization and can feel restrictive. So that's for the MediBang. Now the summary. So Clip Studio, very good for professional manga artists, illustration and those needing advanced comic tools. On the other hand with Procreate, you have it for iPad users. Krita, free option for digital painting, and MediBang Paint, best lightweight beginner friendly tool. So that's pretty much it that I want to share with you, like kind of like the differences. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.